Neil here from Clean. I'm going to show you today how we clean fly screens. So this is the system we use to clean the windows, and it works quite well because it's soft brushes and we've got water jets coming through the brush which allow us to, as you can see here, the amount of milky dusty residue that's coming off the fly screens. So we brush them all down and then we turn over the screen. So we do both sides. It's actually the mesh on the screen holds a lot of dust and often traps cobwebs. So I hope you can see that. It's really clear to me. It's actually pretty filthy, to say the least. This is the most effective way that we found to clean fly screens. We've tried a various number of methods. We've tried just a hose and brush. It's too slow. We've tried pressure, as in a pressure washer. It's too aggressive and you'll damage the screens. And then what we do at the end is we actually wipe off the frames so that when we put them back they're actually clean, and that's how it should be. So, and you can see the amount of dirt on these frames, so we're just going to wipe that off so they can sit cleanly back in. And then most importantly, when you finish, you have to towel dry the mesh. That's really important, otherwise you're going to leave some of that dusty residue on the screen and that's no good. At the end of the day, if you've got dirty fly screens and you're going to clean your windows, it's kind of a half, if you don't clean the fly screens, it's a bit half-baked. Kind of don't really like doing that for people, but sometimes they don't want me to clean the screens, so I accept that. But I really like to make sure that when you do look out your window, you're actually getting a quality result, and that's what you pay for at the end of the day. So we only charge a small fee for a screen, and you can see there's a bit of work involved in each one. So hope that's useful, folks. That's how we do it.